Hello everyone, welcome to my second tutorial, and what you see here is basically um, a car for sale, flyer advertisement, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this. Um, so this is basically, and I'm going to be showing you two. So this one would be for social media purposes, and this one would be for to actually place on your car with physical copy on a printed piece of paper. So I'm going to show you how I got to this point here. um, so let me go back and quickly show you what I did. um, so this is everything that I basically did, and I didn't want you to sit through everything when I can just go ahead and minimize the time and you know So this is when you download the template. If you choose to do so, this is what you're gonna see, right? So you know this is the generic template for a car for sale, except with this. It's gonna you have your brackets here where you're gonna basically input all your info. So the car that I chose is a '09 Nissan Maxima. So I went ahead and found a picture for that. So here in this box, you're gonna have your odometer mileage, your transmission type, engine size, all of that good stuff. So I went ahead and I did the hypothetical, um, information input. So these cars only, I believe, only come in automatic. So in the automatic option in the United States, so it has a 3.5 liter V6 VQ engine, I believe, or at least this one does. Um, the gas mileage. You have your Bose sound system, but here what I did instead of, I don't really think that's a crucial piece of information. So what I did instead is I listed the title status, and in this case, this would be a clean title. So next um, we go to the general condition, which from the picture, people are going to be able to tell that it's excellent shape. Exterior color black, but I changed that because from the picture people are gonna know that it's black, so that's really unnecessary. So instead, I went with a, if you live in a state where an emissions test is required, you can list something like past smog, or instead of that you can list the registration status. So it needs tags or has tags for a year or whatever. um, you have the interior, black interior with leather, power windows, locks, air conditioning works. Then you get to go ahead and list your price, which I'm gonna list at 11.5. Then after that, here you have your contact name, phone number. You know, so once you input your name here, it's gonna automatically add it down here. You have your phone number here. So it's gonna do that as well. So now you have your info for these little tabs that people can actually, you're gonna go ahead and tear here or cut here, and people that walk up to your car and see the flyer and they're interested, or hopefully gonna go ahead and tear one of these off and give you a call later. So uh, that's basically how you would do this if this were the case for the physical copy, which I have already set here. So since this was gonna be for social media, I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. Um, so the way you do that is you basically just highlight all of this, click cut, and that should get rid of it. So I don't know why when I did that I got rid of this box, but I can show you guys how to add the box if but it's just an aesthetic thing. So Here's your asking price. So since this one's gonna be for social media, I figured that I would go ahead and you know make a detail section. So change the color to black. So just trying to decide here what I should list. So basically, I ended up with um, your have the I've kept up with the oil changes, which is really important. The maintenance is up to date. You know, has new tires, and list here you're emphasizing the tires because these are basically performance tires. And aftermarket wheels, you have list the make and or the brand and the size. And then here you can also list the I'll show you. I'll add it right here. No, let's see here. You can also add tabs. I mean tabs, bullet points. So another point, pretty important point, is that I added. Oh, and this is just aesthetic. I changed. This is just the stuff that you can customize. Since it is going on social media, you can basically do any color. But here, what I added was a do not contact after 5 p.m. or text only. And I think that's important because you don't want to be bothered like 6, 7 when you're with your family or, doing whatever it is that you need to do. So here we can add, there are 255s, 18 or 19, and what am I doing here? I mean, they're 255, 55, 19s, and this would be the tire size. So, you can basically put anything here, and see here. I think I can show you guys how to add the box, but it's pretty simple to add a box. All you really need to do is you go to, and I can't show you, I don't know why, but basically you go to insert shapes, recently used shapes, and it's a rounded rectangle, and then you go here, and then it says, it's gonna say shape styles, whatever. So let's do this color, and then you're gonna bring send to back. Oh nope, send behind text. There we go. So it has a little borders and stuff, which I didn't ask for, but it looks alright. So here you have I guess it's a default thing. Let's change this to Calibri, or let's say Times New Roman. And I believe this is bold right now, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. This basically is this would be for your social media, and this one pretty straightforward as well. You have your price, recent for selling, blah blah blah, and you have your. So this would be the copy, the physical copy, the printed copy that you would be putting inside in your car. So what I would do is I would make 2 copies, and I would use this one. Put a piece of tape here, transparent tape here, transparent tape here, and place that on the inside window. It can be whatever window you choose. And then for the other copy, obviously with this already cut, you would put this out on the outside. Piece of transparent tape here, transparent tape here, transparent tape here, and then yeah, basically just go ahead and hope that you get some potential buyers and they give you a call. So that's basically it. This is just as time goes by, and I get better at narrating and everything, I'm going to be doing harder or more complex, tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and comment and, you know, subscribe, anything you guys. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Thank you.